Hi, this is Kamran Ali, and today I'm going to talk about past form of verbs and voiceless consonants. I can be contacted at kamranali.asal@gmail.com. Let's start. Voiceless consonants and past form of regular verbs. First of all, let me tell you what is actually a regular verb. A regular verb is a verb which takes ed for its past form. For example, walk, walked. That means walked, but this will be pronounced as walk. This I'll discuss later, right? So, for example, click, clicked. So we'll say clicked, right? But it will be pronounced as clicked, right? Okay. And let's take one more example here. Close, closed, right? So, or all these words, right? Okay, they're taking what? All these verbs are taking what? Ed, right? In the past form. That's another thing that they're being pronounced as ter. This what exactly I'm going to discuss today, right? Okay. So now, what are voiceless consonants? Voiceless consonants are sounds which actually are made by pushing air. They don't come from your throat, right? Okay, and you can check it. You just put your finger onto your vocal cords and pronounce k, p, s, sh, j, f, right? Pronounce these voiceless consonants. There wouldn't be much vibration, right? And so this means these sounds do not come from our throat, right? They come through pushing air, right? Is that clear? All right. Now let's go ahead. Now let's talk about it. All these voiceless consonants, right? Okay, when they come, in the end of, at the end of a word, right? They are not pronounced, as any regular verb is pronounced. In other words, over here, as they are written, for example, over here, the past form of clap is clapped, clap. We can see the here, but we will not pronounce the. We'll say clapped. That's why when I was giving you examples, right, I was trying to tell you that these words take ed, but they are pronounced as the. Now let me give you some more examples here. Miss, missed, fish, fished, wish, wished, finish, finished, cuff, cuffed, brief, briefed. So all of these, will be written in ed as past forms, right? But won't be pronounced with ed. So you won't say clapped, rather you should say clapped, missed, not missed, not fished, not wished, not finished, not cuffed, not briefed. It should be briefed, cuffed, finished, wished, fished, missed, clapped. Some more example: booked, packed, barked, addressed, crossed. Right? So I hope that you will remember this rule. This will help you understand native speakers pronunciation. I know in Pakistan or in some Asian countries, right, we do not pronounce, these words with the sound. Rather, we use the sound, but we are non-native speakers, right? So we cannot set the standards. So we at least should be aware of what actually, they are, how actually they are pronounced by native speakers. Thank you, class. Hope you're fine. Take care.